Yes, you heard right. This is the thinnest VR headset. This is what Facebook Reality Labs presented some days back. Whole AR VR community is talking on this and how it can change the virtual reality. So let's directly dive in to know more about these glasses. Hello folks, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Everyone is talking about these glasses which looks very promising from the first view, but it doesn't mean it's going to be available anytime soon. Surely it will take some time to develop to its full potential. Now let's see how is this even possible to get something smaller like this comparing to today's big and heavy VR glasses. Previous year at Oculus Connect 6, Facebook Reality Labs chief scientist Michael Abras introduced new miniaturization progress in VR Half Dome 2 and Half Dome 3 prototypes that examine how varifocal displays can improve visual and physical comfort. This year at virtual SIGGRAPH conference, Facebook Reality Lab presented another research milestone on this path, a new optical architecture that is significantly more compact and offers the potential for better visual performance. Well, this clearly shows how Facebook is serious about the virtual reality. Let's talk about the problem which we are facing with today's VR headset and the problems Facebook Reality Labs is trying to solve. The biggest problem is the size of the headset. Some of the companies have tried to minimize the size of the headset like Nreal or Panasonic headsets, or there are some other headsets too. These companies are achieving this by using GPU of your device like your mobile device, which directly affects the weight of the glasses. But we are not able to achieve modern and lightweight glasses like the sunglasses that we are using right now. Facebook Reality Labs are directly hitting the pain point right now by giving the proof of concept of their new VR glasses. Everything is connected to how light reaches to your eye. Yes, this is true. Today's VR display have three primary components: a source of light like LEDs, a display panel that brightens or dims the light to form an image, for example LCD panel, and a viewing optic that focuses the image far enough away so that the viewer's eye can see. As the first two components can readily be performed into a thin and flat modules, most of the weight and volume go into the viewing optics. To significantly reduce the overall size and weight of the VR glasses, Facebook Reality Labs combined two techniques: holographic optics and polarization based optic folding. Most VR displays share a common viewing optic, a simple reflective lens that composed of a thick, curved piece of glass or plastic. The company proposes replacing the bulky element with their holographic optics. You may familiar with the holographic images seen at Science Museum or on your credit card, which appears to be three-dimensional with the realistic depth in or out of the page, like these holographic images. Our holographic optics are a recording of the interaction of laser light with objects, but in this case, the object is a lens rather than a 3D scene. The result is a dramatic reduction in thickness and weight. The holographic optic bends light like a lens but looks like a thin transparent sticker. Facebook new glasses combining the power of holographic optics and polarization based optical folding, an approach that could be used to develop the future sunglasses like VR hardware. These two methods can help keep the optics as thin as possible while making the most efficient use of space, which also increase the VR sessions and create the new opportunities for VR glasses. Right now, the design is demonstrated in the proof of concept research that uses only a thin, flat films as optics to achieve a display thickness of less than 9 mm while supporting a field of view comparable to today's consumer VR products. The work demonstrates the promise of the better visual performance as well. Laser illumination is used to deliver a much wider gamut of colors to VR displays, and progress is made toward scaling resolution to limit of human vision. Right now you can only see black and white images through it. Company said it is working on getting white colors in the prototype. It can capture only a small fraction of the colors that we can actually see. In contrast, the outer triangle represents the much larger set of the colors that can be reproduced using the lasers. Well, the project is really that which I am personally excited for. It will also put less stress on your eye, which is really good for human eyes, because we heard some news that a longer period of VR is affecting the vision of people. So thank you guys for watching this video, and let us know if you like this video by giving thumbs up, and for more videos subscribe my channel. Thank you and peace out.